హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 12 మనకు ఒక 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ రేంజ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ పైన ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తాడు. లెట్ us see first question. If x is real, find range of x plus 2 divided by 2x square plus 3x plus 6. This is the question. Given in the question, the value of x, that is real number, and given by the function x plus 2 divided by 2x square plus 3x plus 6. Given data, first I am going to write. Given that x belongs to real, and assume that function of x equal to x plus 2 divided by 2 times of x square, 3 times of x plus 6 it is. Yes, f of x is written as y. So y equal to linear expression x plus 2 divided by second degree 2x square plus 3x plus 6 it is. On cross multiplication we get 2yx square plus 3xy plus 6y equal to x plus 2. Implies you can write 2yx square plus 3xy plus 6y minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now I am going to write a second degree equation in terms of x. 2y of x square plus 3y minus 1 of x plus 6y minus 2, this is equal to 0. It is second degree in x and given x belongs to real. Whenever a second degree equation for which x is real, it has real roots. Implies I can write here it has real roots, implies discriminant value b square minus 4ac, that should be greater than or equal to 0. Real means maybe they are equal or distinct. So delta should be greater than or equal to 0. Now b square value, substitute b value, coefficient of x 3y minus 1 whole square, next minus 4 into a, that is coefficient of x square, you have here 2y, next constant c, that is 6y minus 2, which is greater than or equal to 0. Implies, expand this, we get 9y square minus 6y plus 1, and product of these two 8y multiplied by 6y minus 2, which is greater than or equal to 0. Implies we get 9y square minus 6y plus 1, 8 into 6, 48 y square, next minus into minus plus sign, 16y greater than or equal to 0. Yes, 9 minus 48 y square. On simplification it is minus 39 y square, next plus 10y and plus 1, that should be greater than or equal to 0. If you take negative sign common, we get 39y square minus 10y minus 1, which is less than or equal to 0. When you change the sign, then there is change in the inequality. Now I am going to factorize this. It can be written as 39y square minus 13y plus 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Here if you take 13y common, 3y minus 1 plus 1 common, 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Yes. In the next step, I can write 3y minus 1, one factor, 13y plus 1, another factor. And here the roots are minus 1 by 13 and 1 by 3. Here it is infinity, minus infinity, plus minus plus. Using real line method, I can say that y value belongs to minus 1 by 13 comma 1 by 3. Therefore, range is set of all output values, so that here the range of the function minus 1 by 13 comma 1 by 3. Let us move to the next question. X is real, then find the range of x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1. That is the question. Let us suppose y, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 1 implies, on cross multiplication it is yx square minus xy plus y become x square plus x plus 1. Next, in the next step, transfer right part into left, we get y minus 1 of x square, next plus minus y minus 1 of x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. All the terms if you write left side and converting into second degree equation, we get y minus 1 x square minus x minus xy minus x written as, taking x common, minus y minus 1, remaining y minus 1 equal to 0. Since x is real, it has real roots. It has real roots implies I can write discriminant b square minus 4ac which is greater than or equal to 0. Yes, in the next step I can write b square minus y minus 1 whole square, next minus 4 into a y minus 1 c again y minus 1 which is greater than or equal to 0. On expansion it is y square plus 1 plus 2y minus 4 of y minus 1 into y minus 1, that is y minus 1 whole square, written as y square minus 2y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Next I can write 4y minus 4y square minus 3y square, next plus 2y plus 8y, that is plus 10y, 1 minus 4 minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, 3y square minus 10y plus 3, it is less than or equal to 0. On factorization, here you can write minus 10y as minus 9y minus y. Next, if you take 3y common, we get y minus 3. Next, if you take minus 1 common, inside we get y minus 3 which is less than or equal to 0. Here y minus 3 common, 3y minus 1 next factor we get less than or equal to 0. Now, apply real line method. Second degree equation indicates a parabola. Here the roots are 1 by 3 and 3. One root is 1 by 3 and the other root 3. Parabola less than or equal to 0. That is, this is the portion. Therefore, I can say that y value belongs to 1 by 3 comma 3. Since here equality is there, so that you have to write closed bracket, and we know that range is set of all output values. Output values always denoted by y. Therefore, I can write range of f of x equal to closed interval 1 by 3 comma 3. This is the answer.